So this is basically a new video of an old video, just a redo. Stuff won't be here forever, maybe it will. Had to get out today, do something. That counterweight pure rust, moss growing all over it. John Deere 892D. I know this video upset a lot of people too. They're like, I could make a living with this thing. I thought it was kind of unfortunate. It was sitting out here in the trees, getting grown up around. But man, oh man, it makes for good videos for what I do. See what it had for hours. Way back. 6,800. It's a bit dingy in here. 6,800. So it's probably still on its original hydraulic pump even for back then. I usually went 8,500 hours on the older ones, minimum. And there's a D7 there. And this one's obviously done work as a back spar, tying back yarders. Not the easiest place to get around in.